Exercise 8b, question 1. Although the previous exercise we had lots of algebra to do, this time we got lots of trig and we need to join them together. And the way we're going to do this is we're looking at some trig identities that use these ones. And being the first question, we've just got a sine and a cos. So if I'm going to rearrange this, I'm going to add the 1 and divide by 2, and that's the same as sine t. And I'm going to take away 4 and divide by 5, and that's the same as cos t. And the trig equation, or the trig identity, that I hope that's coming to mind is sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. And so that's just what I'm going to do. X plus 1 over 2 all squared plus y minus 4 over 5 all squared equals 1. And we can play about with tidying that if we want to. I'm not going to square this. I'm going to leave that as it is. I could put that over 4. I could put that over 25. And then maybe I could times the whole thing by 100. So if I times that whole thing by 100, I could get what the answer book gives, which is that. But we were okay at that point there. At that point there, we already had a Cartesian equation. Let's do B as well. So B has got x equals cos t and y equals sine 2t. And for this one, we're looking at this, the sine 2t formula. The sine 2t formula, and this is in the formula book, is 2, no, it's not in the formula book, is it? This is one of the ones you've got to know. Y equals sine t cos t. And look, we've already got what cos t is. It's there, it's x. So we've got y equals 2. Now, how are we going to get a sine t? Well, this is a trick we use quite a lot. And it's going back to that one we just used up the top there. You know that sine squared t plus cos squared t equals 1. And so if I want sine squared t, we know that this is x squared equals 1. So I'm going to take away the x squared, and then to get sine t all on its own, I'm going to square root it. Now I do this little trick quite often. And so look, our answer here is going to be 2 and x that we had before, and this bit here, the sine t, is 1 minus x squared.